Trains are a popular mode of transportation that have been used for centuries to move people and goods across long distances. The basic concept of a train is a group of connected rail vehicles that are powered by an engine or locomotive. In this article, we will explore how trains work and the various components that make up a train. The locomotive is the heart of a train, providing the power to move the train along the tracks. The locomotive is usually located at the front of the train, although some trains have locomotives in the middle or at the rear. The locomotive uses either diesel, electricity or steam to generate power, which is then transmitted to the wheels through a series of gears, driveshafts and axles. The wheels of a train are designed to grip the rails and propel the train forward. The wheels are made of steel and are typically around 1.5 meters in diameter. The wheels are attached to the axles, which are connected to the locomotive or the railcars. The axles are responsible for transmitting the power generated by the locomotive to the wheels. The railcars are the vehicles that make up the rest of the train. The railcars can vary in size and shape depending on their intended purpose. Passenger trains typically have carriages with seats, while freight trains have cargo cars for transporting goods. The rail cars are connected to each other using couplers, which allow the cars to move together without coming apart. Trains use a system of tracks to guide the wheels and keep the train on course. The tracks are made of steel and are designed to withstand the weight of the train as well as the forces generated by the movement of the wheels. The tracks are also designed to provide a smooth surface for the train to move on, which helps to reduce wear and tear on the wheels and axles. Trains use a complex signaling system to ensure safe and efficient operation. The signaling system uses a series of lights, sounds and flags to communicate information to the train driver about the state of the tracks ahead. The signaling system also helps to regulate the speed of the train and prevent collisions with other trains. Trains require a significant amount of maintenance to keep them in good working order. The locomotive and railcars need to be regularly inspected and serviced to ensure that they are safe and reliable. The tracks also need to be inspected and repaired as needed to maintain their integrity and safety. Trains can travel at high speeds over long distances, making them an efficient and reliable mode of transportation. However, trains are also subject to a number of challenges, including weather conditions, mechanical failures and accidents. Despite these challenges, trains continue to be an important part of our transportation infrastructure, moving people and goods around the world. In conclusion, trains are a complex and fascinating mode of transportation that rely on a variety of components to function properly. From the locomotive to the railcars to the tracks, every part of a train is essential to its operation. By understanding how trains work, we can appreciate the incredible engineering that goes into these machines and the important role they play in our lives.